my second favorite Dollar Tree. And here are the things I got out of there. I already for Juneteenth I got this and this and this at another Dollar Tree, and this cup. And then I was able to round out my Juneteenth collection with these napkins. I knew they would have some napkins out and like some books. These are some journals. At first they had 6 journals left, and I took all 6. And then once I got in the store and I started finding other things that I really wanted to get, I just left with 2. So I have 2 of the journals. They're nice too. Let me show you what it looks like inside. It's just like their other journals. It says Celebrate Freedom Juneteenth. And when I was checking out, I had a Karen behind me, and she really like looked at this stuff and was frowning at it, and she was like, "What is that? I've heard something about Juneteenth. What is it?" And I just gave her a quick, but her tone, she tried to sound like she was interested in trying to be educated, but you know when someone's tone. And I just told her, a little bit about it. And I said it's a celebration of freedom from slavery. And I just gave her a brief thing. And she was like still kind of, had a stank attitude about it. Because, as the stores I go to, I know the cashier, so we're always chatting and talking. So a lot of people, feel very comfortable talking with one another. So, but she was definitely a Karen. and the cashier, she like gave me that look, but, so you just be as kind as possible and, gave a little education about it, and hey, that's all we can do. Okay, and then I got these gift boxes. Gift boxes have been going well for me, like for Mother's Day, but I couldn't find in my Dollar Trees a lot of times the things I'm looking for, some things I can get during the holiday, and some things like they can't put everything out. It's like I needed all this stuff during Mother's Day. Like these boxes, I like, these are more birthday boxes. Got them in yellow, got the blue. Now these are what I was really looking for. And I found like 1 or 2 hit and miss here and there. But now that store like had all of these in there. That one had 4, and I really wanted the white ones. All the white ones were gone, and then I go in there today. Was it 2 weeks after Mother's Day almost? A week after. And then I found those gift boxes. Got the gift boxes here in the red ribbon, and these were pretty. These pink. That's my favorite color. And it's been hard for me to find green shred. And then if I do find it, it's so expensive. So when I went in there and I saw Dollar Tree had my lime green shred, I stocked up. Okay, and then now for a month, I've been looking for these misters, these facial misters. And every Dollar Tree around me, nobody had them. They had the facial brushes and stuff like that. And then here I go in there a week and a half after Mother's Day, and then I find the facial misters, the ultrasonic face misters. Okay, and got them in, how many do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 in the blue, 3 in the pink. And when I saw these, that's when I had to put back my Juneteenth stuff. I just got a couple of the Juneteenth stuff because these are really what I really wanted. So you can make these up for any occasion. Thinking about you, Mom's Day, Spa Day, get well soon, girls' night, rosé all day type of parties. We can do that. Okay, so I just wanted to share that with you. And all right, so just be looking out. Maybe your Dollar Tree's like mine. They're still, putting stuff out. And this is pretty much the end of my shopping season, because around East, like after Christmas, I get stuff. After Valentine's Day, I get stuff. And then after Easter, because I like to get baskets, I like bamboo baskets, that's when I can, get a deal on that. Then after Mother's Day, I like to get self-care stuff. And that's pretty much all I do. I just kind of stick with more spa-related self-care. That's the stuff I just keep in my inventory. I don't try to, appeal to every holiday. I have a few things, like everything that, I don't think I have much Easter left, and I really won't be stocking up a whole lot of Easter stuff. All right, so just wanted to let you know. So be on the lookout. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate your support. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the tribe. And hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. All right, bye.